Marie Noel is a mother of 3 and lives in Pennsylvania, which got so much attention as a key election battleground state. You told me that you voted for Donald Trump this time around.
Yeah.
Voted Democratic Joe Biden 4 years ago. Why'd you switch your vote?
I just feel Trump is honest, and I think he's a change that this country needs right now.
She lives in Monroe County, in the heart of Pennsylvania's Pocono Mountains. In this election, no county in the Keystone State shifted more toward Donald Trump from 2020 than Monroe. And that led to Trump narrowly winning the county after losing it by more than 6 points 4 years ago. Marie Noel was part of that blue to red shift. What do you want to see Donald Trump do?
I want to see him, take care of the border. Too much immigrants coming in, even though I am an immigrant, but there's a proper
Where are you
way.
from?
I'm from Haiti, and I came in the proper way, so I just feel like everybody should come in the proper way.
How does it make you feel the way he's talked about Haitians and some other immigrant groups?
I think it's for shock values. I've known people who say things just to get people talking. That's how I feel about it. I don't take it personal because I don't believe my country is like that.
We also asked other Monroe County residents who either switched to Trump or didn't vote in 2020 but voted for him in 2024 what they want to see from him. At the Cure Cafe in the county seat of Stroudsburg, Emily Rivera is a barista.
I've never voted. This is my first year ever voting because I have a child and I want to see the future get better. I don't want to see people hate each other. And I understand a lot of people think he incites hatred, but I feel like that's just what people want you to think.
She says education is her top issue for the future and former president.
Let's have the teachers be able to bring the students education instead of teaching them things like pronouns, gender, identity, things of that nature.
Gregory Crockett is semi-retired. He too contributed to the Monroe County shift by voting for Trump this time around after not voting at all in 2020.
I like to see the economy become more stabilized. I would like to see the gouging on the prices come down. It's crazy when you buy 4 pounds of ground beef and it's $30.
We heard a lot about the economy.
I need assistance. I need help. I need it to be under control.
So why do you think he will be more helpful than Kamala Harris with helping people like you?
I think he would do it. I just feel like he would do better. He would do a change, I trust him. I trust him.
Why do you trust him?
It's just a feeling that I have.
Back at the restaurant, server Nicole Rodriguez voted for Kamala Harris, but she also has something she wants to see from Donald Trump.
First and foremost, I'd like him to calm down the climate, let it not be so divisive, bring us all back together. He is all of our president, not just one party.